Gigi Loves Kitchen. Guess who I bring with me today? All my grandkids here, and they're gonna make dessert. They favor food, most like it, sticky rice. So they said they're gonna make mango sticky rice. So I have Sophia here. She's gonna introduce herself, and Tristan and Hassan and my big grandson gonna go first.
My name is Tristan and my mom is Elizabeth. And Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Good job, good job.
Hi, my name is Hudson. My mom is also Elizabeth and Jessica. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
And Sophia.
My name is Sophia. My mom's name is Dominique. And my other mom's name is Christina. Happy Mother's Day, Mom and Christina.
Oh, aren't they sweet guys? Some moment that I remember all the time. And guess we're gonna introduce you to the ingredients. Sophia, you wanna go ahead and start introduce the ingredients?
Mangoes, coconut cream, salt, sugar, and rice. And Heen-Som.
And what is this?
Heen-Som.
Heen-Som. Okay, that's good. Good job. All right, and now Hassan. Okay, and Hassan gonna show you guys how to do the rice.
So, this is sticky rice. So, you take it and you rub it in between your hands slowly. And then you take more. And you keep doing this until the water gets clear. So basically, while you're rinsing the rice, you need to keep this Heen-Som in because it helps clear the rice up for when you're going to use it later.
Yes.
And mix up the coconut. After you're done washing your rice, make sure to take the Heen-Som out. This is what it should look like when it's done. You should be able to see right through the water. Should be very clear.
Okay, so before you do anything, make sure you have your sticky rice pot and your bamboo net. You need that so you can cook the sticky rice. And make sure you fill this up. So I filled up the pot with 3 inches of water. Now I'm gonna move it to the stove.
Okay, while Tristan turn that on, make the water hot, and then Hassan and Tristan, they're gonna start cook the rice, okay? And Hassan, what we do next? And oh, why not เวลานี่ก็ได้6 ชั่วโมงแล้วหากลากไข่แล้วหลานเคยเก่งขนาด Okay, well I soak this about 6 hours before my grandson starts do the rice, and he gonna show you how he make the rice, okay? So we got here sticky rice. Yeah, we're gonna.
So we're just going to pour this into a strainer.
Before you put your sticky rice here, make sure you wet it so it doesn't get stuck on the net.
Before you put it in the net, hold it above the bowl of water for about 3 seconds to let the extra water drip out. And then pour all of your sticky rice into the net.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put this over the sticky rice and then just put it in the bowl so it doesn't drip. Now we're gonna carry it over by my pot.
And when your kid around the kitchen, you make sure you also help them when they need help, okay? Parents always supervisor in the kitchen. Don't let them get in the kitchen alone because they're still small. They don't want to deal with the fire, okay? So you make sure you protect them. All right, guys, good job. Let's cut the mango and let's do the coconut cream. How about that, okay? Okay.
watch it. Wait.
Okay.
I don't.
Yeah. Okay, so we are gonna use a sweet mango. The mango is already sweet, okay? So when you cut the mango, you wanna cut the bottom like this first and move your finger like that. See? We have a lot of mango. Basically, I ate already half bulk of it.
The skin is smooth and soft too, so you can cut it easily.
Mm-hmm. Who wanna taste the mango?
Me.
Everyone.
So, whenever you cook with your grandkids, they're not gonna have patience. They say, I'm not wait for the rice mango. They say, I'm gonna taste the mango first. So sometimes you have to buy extra and allow them to have the taste of the sweet mango first, okay? Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
And then what you say? Just tell them, attack! Attack, guys! Don't be shy! And tell me how sweet they are.
Oh my god, they're slippery.
I know, right? That is Sophia?
That's a sweet mango. Really?
I changed my mind.
So that's the mango that you wanna cook with the
That is
rice mango. You wanna find the sweet mango, okay? That's
But
very
it's
sweet.
like super sweet.
Mm-hmm.
My tongue, like, it can't handle it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna, like, this one.
Who like this one?
Wait.
That's cameraman.
Okay, see the rice is already cooked. It's become very clear now. Start to be clear. And Kawan must seek cow, okay? So you wanna flip the rice, press a little bit, press your sticky rice nap, and then go. Like that, see? Then you wanna cook the other side, okay? About like 20 minutes already, so the rice is completely cooked. But you want to make sure that you don't turn off the heat yet until this guy cook, this coconut milk cook, okay? So you just have to wait, like make sure it's not like hot bubble. Just simmer a little bit, then you turn off. But before we turn off, we're gonna go ahead and add some sugar. At the last of the coconut milk, we're gonna put like for the, they call coconut topping, okay? So this is gonna go to the sticky rice, okay? Simmer a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, okay? Okay. Okay. Sticky rice. This is very cooked already after 20 minutes. Have a bite, hot, nice and hot. Try it. And you know my grandkids, they always love the sticky rice. Just sticky rice by itself and they love it, okay? So you see how beautiful and clear, like Hassan said. He said use that Heen-Som, okay? Side is very clear, very beautiful look. See, can you see the difference, how beautiful?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, see while it's hot, you wanna go ahead and use the coconut cream that we make, put it in here, okay? See this super hot.
Oh, wait. Spoon by spoon. You're supposed to do spoon by spoon.
Spoon by spoon.
smells creamy, like with coconut too.
Well, you meanwhile you guys can taste it. You wanna taste this? Okay, just spoon. Everybody get a spoon.
Ow!
Okay.
You pulled it on me. Oh, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Good. So you don't want the rice to be so dry. So you have to have like little moisture in here, okay? And then we're gonna leave about at least 20 minutes before we can eat. So we're gonna cover it up with the lid or plastic, okay? See, you
Or
wanna do
someone
it?
could just lay on top.
Yes. After 20 minutes, the mango gonna go right on top. But about, maybe 5-10 minutes, we can flip one more time. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I have about half can of coconut cream left, and I'm gonna make the topping, okay? What I do, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the pot. And a salt. See how it starts to simmer a little bit, like that, bubble a little bit, and it's ready. I go ahead and turn off the heat. So you guys, we have a great team, okay? So we all cook together. And thank you for your patience. We did pretty good here. Okay, see ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วงแล้วเห็นบอกงามใส่ You see how the rice looks so good, guys? Okay, so what you do? You're gonna go ahead and put the rice like that, okay? Okay, and then let's pour the mango here. Oh, they're ready to eat, guys. My grandkids, they're hungry. Yum. That's right. Okay, let me put this away first. And then you got like sticky rice, mango. And then you gonna put the coconut. It's called topping, okay? This one we don't. I don't do sweet. This one because the rice is already sweet. So we're gonna go. You can put like a tapioca starch. You want to, but I like mine. It's like nice and soft and smooth. So we're gonna go with that, okay? Everybody dig in. Test.
I'm not full because I had a big lunch.
You have a big lunch. You know what? Look, he just have a pizza. I can see the pizza right there. That's why he don't want to eat my food. What you talk about? So, and she have pizza too. Come here. What happened to your face? Look at
Hudson
that.
had a pizza
While
too.
we wait for the sticky rice,
Hudson
my
had a pizza
grandkid
too.
went and eat pizza. Let me see, Hassan. This one he covered very good. I think he wiped it off. Did he have pizza?
Yes, he did.
He did too?
He had cheese pizza.
No, they tell on each other. All right, guys. Is that good? Oh, wow. Look, you don't even slow down. You don't even run away from me. So good. So good.
I'm gonna
We are good teamwork. Happy Mother Day. Happy Mother Day. Happy Mother Day. High five, guys. High five. Good job. Okay. Bye, everyone. See you next time, okay? Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe.
น่ารักก่อน Bye.